everyone, it's your girl Rissa, and I'm going to be doing a demo today on the M-4, which is the mineral rich magnetic mud mask. This little bad boy here. So let's get started. I already had cleansed my face earlier, and not too long ago came out of the shower, so my hair is all kind of wrapped up. I did kind of wash it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so it does come with a little scooper spreader. You can put it on your face, smear it on, just like a little bagel. Okay, let's see if I can hover my face here. It goes on. Oh wow, it goes on like really smooth. Super duper smooth. I really do feel like I'm spraying that cream. Everywhere but the eyes. Like, you know, we don't want anything in there. Mine's already special. I'm already fluoride, so I don't need anything extra going on with that. So the mud mask, one of the really awesome things I'm excited about is that, you know, it draws out impurities. It also is supposed to remove like dead skin cells, which we need to get rid of anyways. We don't need no extra stuff on our skin, right? And it smells surprisingly good for mud. It does come from the Dead Sea, so you know the Dead Sea contains about like 21 minerals. I think 15 of them are like unique to the Dead Sea. And I say if it's good enough for Jesus, it's good enough for me, right? So, alright, let me try to get in here. Put this stuff on here. Trying to be good with my smearing, but you know. We do have some dead skin I do need to get off. So I was at the beach earlier today, so you know, just trying to get in, repair, cleanse, everything. You know how it is, ladies, and fellas. You know, don't want to leave you guys out. Let's get a little bit more from my nose. And usually when I do a mask, I do them like maybe like once a week, if not every 2 weeks or so. Just kind of draw out whatever that's there. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm supposed to leave it on for at least 3 to 5 minutes, which is pretty good. It's not too long. I think most masks you have to leave for 15 or 20 minutes. And that's a little bit too lengthy for me. But let me go ahead and get the magnet ready. Okay, so here's the cool thing. So if anyone ever used like a mud mask before, and so one of the issue with the mud mask is like when you wash it off, like everything gets messy, your sink gets messy because you're dealing with like mud. So with this, because it's magnetized, I forgot to set the timer. Alright, let's do the mask. So as soon as you can see. Hey, qué bonita, huh? Alright, so with this, so we're going to be removing it with mud versus doing water, which kind of like, you know, it gets everywhere. I know for me, like, especially trying to wash it off my face, like my sink gets, you know, dirty and all of that, and it splashes everywhere. So with this, we're going to be using it comes with a magnet within the set, which is cool. And what we're going to be doing is, it does come with a little cover. So I take the magnet, put the cover over it, and I'm going to be like hovering over my face very lightly. I'm not going to be directly on my skin, but just barely hovering over my face. But what I'm going to do to make cleanup a lot easier, because about that ease. I'm gonna be taking just a little sheet and then face towel, tissue, and just covering the magnet with it. That's all she wrote. So we've got about a little bit like 2 minutes. So yeah. So here's just a little fun facts about the magnetic mud mask. Alright, here's some benefits. Innovative and revolutionary mask, unique cleansing effect on the skin, creates a silky layer for the skin for hydration and softening. Once applied, the M-4 starts to work to absorb excess oil, dirt, debris from the skin. So I do feel, like it feels like it's going and like doing its thing, so which is really good. What else does it do? Deeply cleanses pores and gives your skin a youthful glow. We want the youthful glow, okay? Listen, by the time I'm 40, I'm trying to look 21 again, okay? I'm just saying. And it also helps improve skin texture, tone, and tired-looking skin with rejuvenating benefits from the Dead Sea minerals. So some of the key ingredients within the mud is the Dead Sea mud, obviously, the chamomile extract, vitamin E, which is really, really good for your skin, and as well as shea butter. If anyone knows, shea butters, and I'm sure that's what's probably going to give it like that nice youthful glow, because shea butter is really good for your skin. It helps kind of moisten, and it does hydrate your skin too at the same time. So that's really good. So it does really have some really good stuff in there. So ooh, time is up. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, all right. Stopwatch is off. All right. So where should we start? Okay, let's start aside. Start at the. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yo, it is. That feels like so cool with it like coming off. Like, wow. This is not bad. And look at it. I don't even see it, but wow, that is awesome. It just feels like a little like tingle. Like someone's like tickling me with like a little feather. Like that's honestly what it feels like. Alright, so that's really all she... Oh, no, there's another one. Wow. Whoa! Okay, so my skin... Okay, so I thought my skin would have left feeling dry, but it is like super... This is super moisturized. Like this I'm probably feeling the shea butter that was in the mix, because I honestly feel like I don't even need to put on like moisturizer like after this. Like there's never been like any mask that I've used where like when I take it off, like my skin like automatically feels like super hydrated. Usually I have to put some kind of like moisturizer on there, but like this is like holy crap. So wow, that is all she wrote, ladies and gents. So that was the demo on the mud mask. I'm super excited to use it again. So next time I'll just use this just a little bit on there. I think I did put on like a whole bunch on the sides. So, but oh well, it's fine. It came off anyways. So, but my skin does feel like good. It feels really, really great, you guys. So Thanks you guys for watching. So I'll see you guys next time.